It's my first time ever Tenkara fishing. Not as easy as it looks in the videos. There we go, that was a decent cast. And there's a thunderstorm building up over here. Here's the thunder. So I can see the end of the line, but I can't see the tippet because the water's dark. But I'm able to get like the full extension on the line. So that's pretty cool. And I'm just kind of slowly moving it along. No idea if that helps or what, but cause some weeds. Throw those back. So this rod was a gift from my kids, Sam and Ethan and Jess, for Father's Day. And the way it's packaged, the presentation, I mean, it was just, it looks like a really premium product. It's got that aluminum tube, and then you pull it out and it's in a neoprene sleeve with a zipper, so it's well protected. Clouds are angry. Fortunately, they're over there though, so. Oh, and I caught a fish. I caught a little fish. Sweet. Look at this guy. Oh, that's awesome. First day fishing, and I caught this little cutie. Oh, bastard. Gets this out of your mouth. So I caught this little fish. Oh, it's very cool. Thank you. All right. That's awesome. All right, so first day out with my Tenkara rod, and I caught a little fish. And I really don't care about the size. I mean, he was a good sized little brim or something. But I just started fishing about, I don't know, a month ago. And I'm really enjoying it. Like I say, this is an awesome place because I got this lake, you know, right here at work. All right, let's try a little further down. Oh. And I caught the tree. All right, and I caught a little branch. I believe I'm going to move a little further away from the tree. I see the birds down here fishing all the time. There's a little baby turtle. Check him out. I don't know if you can see him or not. He's this big. He's right there. And the wind's died, so it's feeling warm. It's like 93 or 94 degrees right now. I'm feeling it without that breeze. I am going to walk down over here. So I'm liking the Tenkara rod. It's very cool.